Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming location services are enabled in iPhone settings so WhatsApp can access GPS. Once done, open WhatsApp and go into the chat where you want to change or share your location. Tap the plus icon beside the message box. That reveals the location option. You're doing this now because the app needs permission and the correct chat context to attach a new position. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data and GPS are active for accurate coordinates before proceeding. You'll now choose how you want to change the location. Use Send Current Location for a one-time point or Share Live Location for continuous updates. If you need a different spot, tap Send Location, then drag the map pin to the precise place you want to show. This overrides your GPS reading for that message. You can also type an address in the search bar to jump directly to it. Once you adjust the pin, double-check the map preview so the recipient sees the right place. Finish by tapping Send for the static point or confirm a duration if you're sharing live location. If the location seems incorrect after sending, try restarting WhatsApp, and if needed, toggle location services off and back on in iPhone settings to refresh GPS locks. Also verify WhatsApp has the recommended permission while using the app or always, so coordinates update reliably. If problems persist, reboot the phone. That often recalibrates the GPS and resolves lingering inaccuracies quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.